Hi, I'm just doing this quick video, and hopefully this will help if you would prefer watching a video than reading a lot of instructions. So the next part of our lesson is to create 2 thumbnail sketches using symbolism or something to create some meaning, and I suggest using the idea of maybe your first initial, last initial. Maybe you could throw in a symbol, maybe you could throw in a shape. It's really up to you. But it will take some thought before you even start to plan out the use of space, top, bottom, left, and right. So I started to do it with this, and I realized, wow, this is hard work. And then I kind of got better at it. And in this one, I started to add one color, happens to be black because I had a pencil, and I decided to add some shading. And you have to be very strategic because you need to think, all right, I can't put a light next to a light, or I'm going to just have one big large shape. I can't put a dark next to a dark, or I'm going to have one big dark shape. I want to delineate one shape from another by contrasting. We use contrast a lot. So a good rule of thumb to keep in your mind is wherever you see a light, put a dark. Wherever you see a dark, keep light. And what's the lightest value of all? Your paper, because it's white. So I'm just going to zoom in, and using a pencil, whoop, there it is, I added some scrumbling, some shading with pressure. Scrumbling and hatching and cross-hatching is a technique that you can use when you can't use paint. And here are some swatches of my scrumbling, my stippling, and my hatching. Cross-hatching is just kind of hatching one direction and another direction. And you can also vary the line when you're hatching and cross-hatching. It doesn't have to be just straight. So those are a lot of things to keep in mind as you're working. And honestly, this is really hard work. This is not just, it's relaxing, but your brain is engaged. So I'm going to show you my finished product when I add some watercolor colored pencil to this, and I think I'm going to use green, and I'll get right back to you with the result.